Are you ready to be amazed by the extraordinary world of off-road trucks and buses like you've never seen before? These extraordinary vehicles are engineered to conquer the most challenging terrains and transport you to places you've never thought possible. Number 8. Hafilat Sauhan 4x4. Introducing the Hafilat Sauhan 4x4, a remarkable and versatile bus meticulously crafted by Hafilat Industries in the United Arab Emirates. This exceptional vehicle emerged from the transformation of a Mercedes Atego truck chassis, resulting in a robust, reliable off-road conqueror. Equipped with exceptional capabilities, the Hafilat Sauhan 4x4 is designed to effortlessly navigate through challenging and inhospitable terrains, including scorching regions with soaring temperatures and vast sandy areas. Its adaptability makes it an excellent choice not only for tourist trips, but also for various other applications. Measuring 7.9 meters in length and boasting a gross weight of 17 tons, this bus provides a spacious and comfortable environment, accommodating up to 30 passengers. Its powerful 275 horsepower engine propels it to a limited top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, ensuring swift and efficient travel. Safety and comfort are paramount, with features designed to provide an optimal experience for all occupants. Number 7. URL Next 3255-5013. Introducing the remarkable URL Next 3255-5013, a safe and resilient vehicle designed for tackling the toughest terrains. This exceptional transport was meticulously crafted in Russia to provide reliable passage through areas with challenging access. With its impressive dimensions of 10.4 meters in length, 2.9 meters in width, and 3.4 meters in height, it ensures ample space for 28 passengers to travel in absolute comfort. Safety remains a paramount concern for the URL Next, equipped with a comprehensive range of features, including a temperature control system, fire extinguishers, and an intercom. It prioritizes the well-being of its passengers. Powered by a robust engine generating 238 horsepower and 1,044 Newton-meters of torque, this formidable vehicle achieves a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour, offering both power and efficiency. Whether navigating rough terrains or traversing challenging landscapes, the URL Next is a testament to Russian engineering prowess. Its dedication to passenger safety, spacious interior, and impressive performance makes it an ideal choice for transporting groups of people through even the most demanding environments. Experience the reliability and comfort of the URL Next as it conquers the toughest terrains with ease. Number 6. Polar Rover. Introducing the Polar Rover, a remarkable vehicle crafted in Canada specifically for daring explorers seeking to witness the wonders of the Arctic. As a proud addition to the esteemed Great White Bear Tours fleet, this extraordinary bus is built to accommodate up to 50 passengers, providing them with an unforgettable journey through the Arctic wilderness, complete with captivating sightings of polar bears and other remarkable wildlife. Powered by a robust 210 horsepower engine and equipped with massive 1.8-meter tires, the Polar Rover effortlessly glides through the Arctic terrain, reaching a speed of up to 56 kilometers per hour. This exceptional vehicle is the ideal companion for your upcoming Arctic adventure, offering both reliability and excitement as you embark on an exploration of pristine Arctic wilderness. Number 5. Rampage T6. The Rampage T6 is an off-road truck that embodies the spirit of adventure and dominance on any terrain. With its muscular and aggressive design, it exudes an aura of power that commands attention wherever it goes. The superior suspension system of the Rampage T6 enables it to conquer rough and uneven terrains with ease, providing a smooth and controlled ride even in the most challenging off-road conditions. What truly sets the Rampage T6 apart is its unbeatable torque. Equipped with a high-performance engine, it delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and immense power, allowing it to overcome steep inclines, navigate through deep mud, and traverse rocky landscapes effortlessly. Whether it's climbing mountains or tearing through muddy trails, the Rampage T6 is built to handle it all. The interior of the Rampage T6 is designed for both comfort and functionality. The spacious cabin provides ample seating and legroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for the driver and passengers. With advanced technology and intuitive controls, the driver can stay in control and navigate through the most challenging terrains with confidence. For adrenaline junkies and thrill seekers, the Rampage T6 is the ultimate choice. Its raw power, exceptional performance, and rugged durability make it a formidable companion for off-road adventures. Whether you're embarking on a thrilling expedition or seeking an adrenaline-fueled escape, the Rampage T6 is ready to take you on an unforgettable journey, pushing the boundaries of what is possible off the beaten path. Number 4. Komatsu 43118-50. Introducing the Komatsu 43118-50, a versatile and agile vehicle manufactured in Russia, designed to cater to group transportation needs across various environments, ranging from bustling city streets to the most challenging terrains. With its emphasis on passenger comfort and safety, the Komatsu 43118-50 ensures a secure and pleasant journey. Equipped with comfortable seats, heating capabilities, and a roof hatch for emergency exits, this vehicle prioritizes passenger well-being regardless of the travel destination. The Komatsu 43118-50 showcases exceptional adaptability, making it the ultimate all-rounder. It effortlessly navigates sandy terrains, conquers steep slopes with ease, and even traverses water bodies. No matter the terrain, this vehicle is built to handle it all. Powered by a robust 300 horsepower engine, the Komatsu 43118-50 offers impressive performance. With a length of 10.2 meters and ample space for 28 passengers, it provides both comfort and capacity. Number 3. Atlas Overlander. Designed for those who seek the freedom of off-road exploration without sacrificing comfort, this remarkable machine is the epitome of adventure on wheels. The Atlas Overlander boasts a self-contained living space that transforms the concept of off-road travel. Inside, you'll find well-appointed sleeping quarters, a fully functional kitchenette, and a thoughtfully designed layout that maximizes space and functionality. No matter how remote your journey takes you, you'll have all the essential efforts of home at your fingertips. But the Atlas Overlander isn't just about luxurious living. It's built to conquer any terrain that comes its way. With rugged all-terrain capabilities, it navigates through rough landscapes, tackles steep inclines, and fords through challenging obstacles. Its robust suspension and powerful engine ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even in the most demanding off-road conditions. Whether you're traversing rocky mountain paths, venturing into dense forests, or embarking on a cross-country expedition, the Atlas Overlander is your ticket to unparalleled freedom and exploration. It's a reliable companion that allows you to delve deeper into the untamed wilderness, discovering hidden gems and experiencing the thrill of the great outdoors. Number 2. Kodiaq 8x8. The Kodiaq 8x8 is a remarkable vehicle that promises an extraordinary adventure in Iceland's challenging terrain. Built by the visionary founders of the 4x4 Club over a span of 4 years, this exceptional machine prioritizes passenger comfort and safety, ensuring an unforgettable journey. Inside the Kodiaq 8x8, you'll discover a luxurious interior designed to accommodate over 9 occupants. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide maximum comfort, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the rugged landscapes of Iceland. With its 8 motorized wheels, including 4 directional front wheels, the Kodiaq 8x8 offers unparalleled maneuverability. Its massive 58-inch tires enable it to conquer any terrain and overcome every obstacle that comes in its way. Prepare to witness the breathtaking beauty of Iceland's glaciers as the Kodiaq 8x8 fearlessly navigates through extreme weather conditions. From snowy landscapes to unpredictable terrains, this vehicle's resilience knows no bounds. Number 1. Tata Phoenix 8x8. Unleash the power of the Tata Phoenix 8x8 as you embark on an unforgettable journey through Iceland's untamed wilderness. This formidable 4-axle all-wheel drive vehicle, originally a Tatra Phoenix 8x8 truck, has been ingeniously converted into a rugged bus design to conquer the most challenging terrains. Equipped with imposing 1.7-meter tires and propelled by a mighty 520 horsepower engine, the Tata Phoenix 8x8 effortlessly conquers snow-covered landscapes. Its commanding presence and exceptional traction make it the ideal companion for intrepid travelers seeking to explore Iceland's breathtaking glaciers. Step inside this spacious bus body, where comfort and adventure seamlessly converge. Accommodating curious tourists, the Tata Phoenix 8x8 ensures a smooth and exhilarating ride, allowing you to soak in the awe-inspiring beauty of Iceland's majestic landscapes at a comfortable speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Whether traversing treacherous terrains or maneuvering through snowy paths, this robust vehicle offers an unrivaled combination of power and versatility. Brace yourselves for an expedition like no other as the Tata Phoenix 8x8 takes you on a thrilling exploration of Iceland's untamed wonders. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty that unfolds before your eyes, courtesy of this magnificent beast on wheels. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, let us know in the comments which off-road vehicle impressed you the most. We value your feedback and appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.